Kellerton is a beautiful lifestyle community located right at the base of the Keystone Mountains, 5 minutes from the fast-growing downtown Frederick. Kellerton is amenity-rich with an Olympic-sized pool, clubhouse, fitness room, dog park, and miles of walking trails. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Kellerton offers a variety of neo-traditional floor plans for you to choose from. These homes are great for someone who's looking for a detached single-family home with a modern appearance and the ability to customize. They are built with your future in mind, featuring lower maintenance designs that help you save both time and money in the long run. Kellerton's serenity is matched by its convenience to major commuter routes and is located within an hour's drive to DC and Baltimore. Downtown Frederick is recognized for world-class shopping, dining, and entertainment only a few minutes away. If you're looking for modern architecture and detached single-family living with less maintenance and cost, a neo-traditional home in Kellerton is the right fit for you.